hayi njalo ayijiki-ke uma isinje. Hey abantu yazi ilula lento ya social media. It's the most easiest thing. If kukhona into ekuphazamisayo emoyeni wakho, monomona nendenze umuntu, move on. I mean, skip the page, skip the channel, go to the next one. Ngoba uzothola umuntu onjengami ongakusabi nalo muntu kuthumile, ongakusabi nenyanga yakho ozokuqonda. So this champion comes and he decides to go and write shit. Yeah, so cool. I'm actually gonna screenshot and put it. Mina ngiyaqondana angikusabi baba. Ngiyaqondana mina angikusabi. You must know ukuthi mazoyiphaka awuzoyithola mshanami. Awuzoyithola we mami. So he goes on to ividio le yomdawo. Phela obviously nomona ngithakasa. So he goes on to wait, let me try and find the video here. Ne? It goes on to, where's that video? Right? Free cards, what? Let me show you the original video, my boy. Let me show you the original video, my boy. Nenyanga yako, boy. Let me show you the original video. Because I can. Right?
Yes. Hola, kunjalo. Hayi, ileso sikhathi. Sekufike abantu abadala manje. Abaphathi bomsebenzi wakhe. Yeah. Hayi kanisa. Amani kuhla mariko. Yeah, yes. Oh, Nkosi
Khuluma into yaziyo next time. Go and do your research, boy. Go and do your research. Uthini lo yamuntu? Uthi mabekuthuma next time, wenze sure ukuthi bakuthuma at least you got background. Ngoba mina nginisab nonke. I'll go live. Makhona inkinga 071 947 3477. I'll repeat it. Uma kunenkinga 071 947 3477. Kubuka wonke umuntu. I'll deal with you. Sharp.